Hey guys, welcome back again in Muo Sigma Classes, and in this second video I am going to tell you how you can create your first React application. Let me open terminal quickly, and if you are a window user, of course you can use command prompt. Okay, let me make a bigger one for you so that you guys can see easily. Okay, so first step, you have to install create react app using npm. If you are very new in this React, what you have to do, you have to first install node.js. Let me give you idea what you have to install first. Node.js. When you will install your node.js, you will get the access for npm. Okay, so that you can install some packages using npm install, something like that. Okay, and create react app, of course you have to install from npm only. So for that, what you have to do, you have to install node.js first. How you can install node.js? Just go to the tab, node.js, hit enter. The very first link, this node.js, click on this. So here what you have to do, you have to install your LTS. Just click on this and install. This will automatically install in your system. If you are using Mac OS or using Windows, the command will be the same. Okay, so node version, this command will basically give you the version of node.js. Okay, I am using 16.14.2, and this is the latest version, 16.17.0. okay, so I'm not going to update it, but I have already installed in my machine. Okay, so I can access npm install. So if I want to check React Native app version, not React Native app, it should be create react app. Create react app version. So you can see I'm using 3.3.0. so you can use create react app. So what you have to do, just you have to install npm install create react app, that's all. Okay, that's what you have to do. And if you wanted to install it is globally, just install it with globally -g. Okay, these are the simple steps. I'll be copy pasting for you guys, and let me paste it over here. Okay, and this information which you can see over here into this screen, I'll be pasting into my blog, and I'll be pasting that link of the blog in my video description, so you can visit to description. Along with that, I'll be posting everything into Bitbucket, so that whenever you guys want code, you can visit to Bitbucket and you can you can clone the repo. And I'll be creating sub branches for every video, so that you can visit to the particular video, and also you can visit to the particular branch, so that you can see that code, not updated one. This will be very much easy for you to understand it very clearly, because in that particular video I wrote that code, so you will be seeing that written code only. So let's begin this, and let's create very first application. So open the terminal, and if you are a window user, of course you have to use command prompt. Okay, so let me clear everything using clear command. YouTube, not E with E. I'm not writing that E. Okay, don't say you wrote some wrong name. Okay, CD. Okay, so everything I'm going to write inside this UTUB. Okay, nothing in this. Okay, so I'm just going to create my first application using create react app. This you have to install previously only. Okay, using npm install create react app globally. And then what you have to do, create react app and the application name. Let's say I am understanding, I am teaching React, right? So let's say the name is react app. Now this is the main important thing. Every time we will be getting few errors, every time we will be understanding what are errors. You have to play with errors. If you are thinking that error should not come, this is a very biggest mistake for you. you should get the error. So that error will teach you more things. Okay, so what it is saying, could not create a project called create app because of npm naming restrictions with name cannot longer contain, I mean, can no longer contain capital letters, meaning that you should not create the name with capital letters. So this time I'm going to type with small a. You can see creating a new project in this location and installing the packages which is required there, like react dom, react script, cra template. And with this you can see yarn add, this is internally hitting this command and adding version 1.13.0. so meanwhile when you are watching this video, you can also try in your system. And if any issue if you're facing related to this installation, you just ping me in the comment box. I'll try to response you there. Or if I'm not able to response you there, you can visit to my Instagram ID. I'll be posting you my Instagram ID. You can visit there. You can ping me. I'll try to answer you there. Or if I'm not answering you there, you can visit to email box. My email ID is very simple. You can write an email to me. If I'm getting some time, I'll be definitely answering you. I'll be fast forwarding this video so that it will save our time. Congratulations guys, this is the very first application and you guys successfully created your very first project. So you can see all the commands it is showing you, like you can use this command, that command, blah blah, so many things. Like yarn start is the command where you can start your development server. Yarn build is where you want to deploy some builds in the production. You can use this command to create your static files in the production. You can basically create a build using this command. And yarn test is the command where you can run your specs file or the test files. Okay, and other things, other command is yarn eject also, and I'll be teaching you and I'll be giving you a brief idea about all the commands. So let's, without wasting any further time, let's understand it, how we can start the project. So inside this folder we have this React app, and you can see lot of node module packages and src folder over here, and we have these many files. So let me just open this into the VS Code. Okay, this is the very first time it will ask you for the trust. Enable it. Cool. Okay, so I'll be explaining you each and every file in the next video, but here I am going to run this application. So first command will be yarn start. When you will hit this command, it will give you the link and it will basically run your bundle. So with this command you can start your environment, that is local environment. And when this local environment is running up, it will run on particular port number, that is 3000. And if it is busy, it will basically show you errors. And if you want to run your environment into a different port, definitely we have a command for that, and I'll be telling you how we can use that command. Okay, since this is the very first time you are running your local environment for this ReactJS project, it is just taking a bit more time. So here you can see we have a very fresh project launched into our web browser. Okay, and you can see it's compiled successfully, and with the link you can see the local link, and this is the network link. This is nothing but the localhost URL. Fine. So let me just give you a little more interest here. So we have this index.css file, app.js file. Let me close this. I'm just giving you just more interest in this. Okay, so if you want to edit something here, like if you want to edit some text over here, let's say at this place you want the channel name, right? So you can just delete this part. Simply you can write Muo Sigma Classes, and before it you can write subscribe. The moment when you are saving the file, it will automatically refresh this page for you. Subscribe Muo Sigma Classes. This is it for this particular video, and I'll be explaining you about the architecture, what are these files and what are the role and responsibility of these files. I'll be explaining you in the next video. Till then, be safe, be happy, and subscribe the channel and like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much.